Welcome to our business enhancing Balconette affiliate program. In this series of videos, we'll be discussing the many benefits and services extended to you. Let's get started. First, let's define what a trade affiliate is. A trade affiliate is a returning trade customer who sees the tangible benefits of doing repeat business with Balconette. Once you've been onboarded, you'll receive a trade account where you'll be able to access things such as order details, invoices, drawings, warranties, instructions, as well as quotes and past and present orders. You'll also be assigned one of our professional sales team members to handle your account. This member of our team will be with you every step of your Balconette purchasing journey and will be your guide along with the rest of our Balconette team. Now that we've become a valued member of your business team, you have access to a range of trade and online discounts that are only available to our affiliates. To ensure your order is manufactured to the correct specifications and dimensions, we have a well-established technical team that will assist you in the design process. When it comes to delivery of your order, priority service is extended to you, cutting 5 to 10 days off of our standard lead times. There's also a fast track option available should you choose. With our facility located in Blindley Heath, Surrey, UK, all components completing your order will be shipped from this location. This includes all glass panels, making it a one-stop shop turnaround. Because your order has been cut and manufactured to the signed-off technical drawings, when your order turns up on site, all that's left is assembly and installation. To sign up for your free Balconette Trade Affiliate Program account, go to www.balconette.co.uk/join. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your login or create a new account.